teacher by profession and a deputy mayor. So, I am very actively involved with these radio programs, so I follow them up. And I try to inquire from other people if they have been following up with these radio programs. And to as I was really amazed one day when I left my house and went up to the market square, and I met one mother there, Mami Menken Cecilia, and I was discussing with her. So I asked this mother, where are you going to? So this mother told me she was going to the hospital to screen herself of cancer of the uterus, and she had 2 children with her, a little boy and a little girl. So I asked her are you going to screen the children for cancer of the uterus? She said no. She's going to the hospital with these children to get mosquito nets for them. And I asked Mommy, where have you gotten all this information? She said from the radio. She told me she heard over the radio at 5 o'clock. The person in the radio was educating the women in the BLM community. Then they should go to the hospital and get themselves checked of cancer of the uterus, because if you don't check yourself and if you develop the cancer, it can kill you. And then she also heard the doctor saying that they should take little children to the hospital to get mosquito nets for them so that they can prevent them from being attacked by malaria. So I was so amazed with this mother, and I asked her again, where did you get all this information? She told me again, from the radio. Now open your radio, radio. You'll get this information. You will hear the people there talking and advising people to do this. So I was so happy, and I encouraged the mother to tell her friends that they should also be keen to the radio or follow up the radio programs. And again, I asked this mother, why are you so particular with it? She told me that the way the people talk is so lively and you feel happy with it. So I said, is that so, Mommy? She said, yes. So that is my story.